In Australia, 43% of us will be diagnosed with cancer in our lifetimes. But research in physics is helping to revolutionise cancer treatment by improving a key treatment technology, particle accelerators. So how do accelerators treat cancer? Well, radiotherapy, which is used in half of all cancer treatments, relies on a small electron accelerator about this big, which produces the X-rays that destroy cancerous cells. There's also an even more precise form of treatment called proton therapy. But unlike X-rays, protons stop inside the body, putting radiation where it's needed and reducing unwanted dose. This is particularly important for sensitive areas like the brain or for childhood cancers. But there's a problem. Accelerators for proton therapy can be as big as a tennis court and can cost hundreds of millions of dollars, and this is holding up access. In my lab, we focus on making smaller, faster accelerators so that proton therapy can fit in a single room and more patients can benefit.